Use synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder. We are given dividend and divisor x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared minus 7 divided by x plus 2. So we are going to use the synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder. So what we do, this is my dividend first. What is the dividend? The dividend is x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared minus 7. The divisor is x plus 2. Then I'm going to take the coefficients of the dividend. Again, we need to rewrite, as we did in the previous video, we need to rewrite the dividend because we would like to include all of the terms that has a degree less than 3. Why? Because my leading term has a degree of 3, so the dividend has a degree of 3, so we need to include all of the terms that has less than degree of 3, which is the second degree and the first degree and the 0 degree. So now we have x cubed already there, minus 3x squared, that's fine, but we are missing the one that has the first degree. So we're going to add this term by multiplying this term by 0. So now we have the first degree, then the 0 degree is 7. Good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to pull the coefficients. I'm going to take the numbers next to each x, okay? So the first coefficient, the leading coefficient, is going to be 1. This is 1 here. Then I'm going to take the second one, which is negative 3, then 0, then negative 7. So these are the coefficients of these terms. So this is the x cubed, this is x squared, this is x, this is the constant, which is x to the power of 0, if you would like to write it. Okay, then I'm going to look at the divisor and equate it to 0, then solve for x. So I'm going to take the 0, so which is x equals to the negative 2. So I'm going to take the 0. Then I'm going to take the 0 on this side here, so which is negative 2. Now, straight line here. Then the first step, so now we are going to start performing the synthetic division. First thing we did, we set up the synthetic division, then we're going to start to do it now. We bring down the first number, which is number 1. Then I'm going to multiply 1 times negative 2. This is times. What do I get? I get negative 2. Okay, what to do with this number, negative 2? So I'm going to place it here, negative 2. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these two guys and put the answer down there. So I'm going to get negative 5. Then what to do? We do again, we multiply, we repeat, multiply by negative 2. What do you get? You get positive 10. What to do with the positive 10? Place it again here. Then what to do? You add these two numbers. You get positive 10. Then we repeat the steps again. Multiply times 10 times negative 2 is negative 20, right? So negative 20, I'm going to place it here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these two numbers. So I'm going to get negative 27, right? Then we are done. So what do we get here? This is the quotient. This is the quotient. And this is the remainder. The last one is going to be the remainder, okay? The last one is going to be always the remainder. Sometimes you get 0, that's okay. But this is the quotient. But be careful here. The quotient always has a degree less than the what? The dividend, okay? Has a degree less than the dividend. So it's going to be here, what is the quotient? The quotient is going to be, this guy belongs to this guy is the coefficient of x squared. This guy is the coefficient of x. This is the constant, or the coefficient of x to the power of 0. Then what is the quotient? Q of x is 1 times x squared negative 5 times x plus 10. Okay? Remember, the quotient has always a degree less than the divisor. Okay? And the remainder, what is the remainder? The remainder is negative 27. Negative 27. So we go back and write the answer. The remainder is negative 27, and the quotient is x squared minus 5x plus 10.